What if I tell you that I have found the indicators which can make your trading easier? And what if I backtested 100 times? You like that, right? So, shall we start? This is the finished setup you are seeing in my screen, and soon you will have the same chart like me. Now let's go to indicators tab and search for chandelier exit, and you will see the indicator from Everget. Click that your chart, and the second indicator is STD filtered, and you will see the indicator from logs. Click the first one to add to your chart. The last one, what you need to do is change your candle type to Heikin Ashi. It's a must that you need to do. So in total we have two indicators and one candle type. Before I show you how you can use this strategy, I would like to show you the backtest results of this strategy. I would like to thank TraderEdge for this great platform. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. If you want to backtest any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial, and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. With this strategy, we could achieve 77% win rate from the 100 trades, which is very nice, and our reward to risk ratio is 3.24, which is very nice. We are risking 1 to get 3.24, and I am strongly suggest you always backtest your strategy before you go in live. Before we lose any time, let's see how this strategy works. So we have added our indicators, we have seen the backtest results, 77% perfect. Now let's do the settings of our indicators. First, go to chandelier exit settings and change ATR period to 1, change ATR period multiplier 1.5, and you can copy and paste the style like me to see the same chart like me. So I am closing the chandelier exit settings. Now I will go and change the STD filtered. This is the style. Please do the same like me. And for the inputs, change the period to 15. This is only thing that I have changed, but please double check what's going on here. Hit OK, close it, and we have already set our candles to Heikin Ashi, so good to go. I set my time frame to 15 minutes, but this strategy works on 5 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. This is for the demonstration purposes, and I have backtested this strategy on 15-minute time frame on Apple ticker. So this is the same like how I backtested. Today we are trading Apple. That is one of my favorite stocks, and let's start with the rules. For the buy conditions, the first rule is you need to get buy signal from the chandelier exit. And let's see, we got a buy signal here. The first condition is check, and the second rule is, and the second condition is, this line must be green to enter long position. And let's see that if it is green. Yes, it is green. So the second condition is check. So for the third condition is Heikin Ashi candle, this candle must be green. So if these three conditions are met, we can enter long position. Easy, right? So we have like 3 conditions. So with that way we will avoid choppy markets, bad signals, etc. You will see now. This is the buy condition, and the sell conditions is exact opposite. Let me just go through quickly. We need to get sell signal from the chandelier exit, check. This line must be red, check. And the final rule is bar must be red, check. All the conditions are met, so we can enter short position. So this was the rules of entering a position. Now let's talk about how you can exit from this position. What I mean is, what is our stop loss, what is our take profit. It's very easy. Stop loss is like always recent support or resistance line. So if we enter short position here, we will put our stop loss to the resistance, which is here. Let me show you. I will put my stop loss here to cover myself, and I will never move it up or down. And for the take profit, if we enter position here, I will carry out my position until I get the buy signal from the chandelier exit. So for that condition, we could make 2.7% pure profit. Congratulations, this was the take profit. And now let me show you the example that it doesn't met with all our conditions. Let me see, we got here a buy signal. First condition, check. And the second condition is for the buy signal, this line must be green, and we are checking that and we are seeing that it's not green, it's red. So condition is not met, so we don't enter any position. We will pass this signal, no position, right? And very important thing is, I always say in my videos, but if you are new, to get the signal or like any conditions, you need to wait until the bar close. So you see buy signal, but bar didn't close. What you will do, you need to wait until the bar close to get any signal from any indicator. This is the first rule, do not forget that. Let's see another example. We got the buy signal. This was the first example that we talked. This is a sell signal, but the line is green, no position. We got the buy signal, we got the green, and we got the green candle, long position. You see, this strategy is very easy, and the best thing is you can use this strategy on stock trading, crypto trading, and forex trading. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and before you leave, consider watching that strategy also, because it will help you a lot. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, see you soon.